Hello YouTube, Sam Prentice here with another droid related video. This time I've printed the Mr. Badley R5D4 dome for my SHP build. That's the blue droid in the picture, and the dome is the fashionable dual pink droid at the front. The print took a total of 11 days with my new Creality CR10-S5. Special thanks to Michael Badley. If you don't know who he is, he's basically 3D printing royalty. Here's a picture of him meeting Princess Anne, and I'll stick a link in the description below. Anyway, here's a couple of quick videos of the print followed by a time-lapse. I'll be filling, painting and finishing the dome in the next video. So please click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when the video goes live. Enjoy!